English is often called a borrowing language because it has a history of incorporating words and structures from many other languages. Over centuries, it has encountered various languages through invasions, trade, colonization, and cultural exchanges. During British rule in India, many Hindi words were adapted because they were difficult to pronounce. Did you know that English draws from Hindi as well? Here are some common English words you might not have realized originated from Hindi. First, avatar. This word, famous from the TV show Avatar, The Last Airbender, comes from avatara, which means to cross down, referring to the descent of a deity to the human world. Bandana, derived from the word bandna, meaning to tie, used for triangular or square decorative headscarves. Blightly. Blightly was originally a term adopted by British troops stationed in India to refer to Britain, derived from the Hindi word vilaiti, which translates to foreign. Karma. It is directly lifted with no changes to spelling or meaning, with the original word karma also being the concept of cyclical cause and effect of one's action. Shampoo. Perhaps the most surprising word on the entire list, shampoo actually draws its origin from the Hindi word champu, also champi, which means to press, knead or soothe. It entered English during the early colonial era. Jagannath. Jagannath's origin is truly interesting compared to the others on the list. It comes from the word Jagannath, a form of Lord Vishnu, worshipped at Odisha's Jagannath temple. During the Rath Yatra festival, giant carts carrying deities were pulled through the streets. Europeans, seeing this, started using the word to mean something huge and unstoppable, inspired by the cart size and the strong devotion of the followers. For more such interesting videos, keep on watching NewsX.